Today, Lady IT is the name of the Fiverr profile that we're reviewing. She does like photo manipulation and video animation type services, so I'm happy to review her profile today here on the channel. But before I get into the review, if you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter. I'm going to start doing some cool stuff on Twitter in tandem with YouTube in 2021. At least that's the goal. So follow me on Twitter so you don't miss a beat. Lady IT from New Zealand. So as always, customary profile picture shout out. I love that you used a headshot. It's good to do business with humans. People like that, so good on you. So she's from New Zealand. She's been on since September 2014. Her average response time is 4 hours. Last delivery is 2 months ago. So interesting. It's been a little while since I got her request via email, but I think that the gig that she initially wanted me to review is no longer here. So after I go through her profile, I'll just jump into one of these and we'll see how it is. So her description: I am a digital artist and IT technician. I am offering this service to you at a small fee to help your business reach new levels. So Lady IT, first thing, there's not enough info here. Like, you're a digital artist and IT technician, and then you say, I'm offering this service to you at a small fee. So what service are you offering? So I think that there's an opportunity for you to take a little bit of time to add some more text here to help describe what services you offer. So you're a digital artist and IT technician. That's great. That's good to share. But go into a little bit more detail. What's the service? How can the service help people's business? What types of businesses have you worked with? Things like that. I think that'd be a good start to getting your profile a little bit stickier and more compelling. So if you just put some love into this section right here, I think that would do you really well. So let's see what gigs she's got. She's got, I will create your string logo animation. I will show you how to set up your business TikTok profile. And I will show how you can create a 360-degree home tour business. So let's go with the first one, string logo animation. So first off, I don't actually know what a string logo animation is. So I'm going to play it and let's find out. So I don't know if she made this one. That's pretty cool. Really cool. Yeah. So okay, a logo animation. I think that's awesome. So the description: for only $5, I will create an intro string animation. For $5 more, I will make your video in full HD. For the best video logo intro here, I create the best logo strings available to make your brand stand out. Your new logo string animation can be used for your YouTube page, website, blog, or any other branding platform. Intro logo strings have a strong impression on your customers, creating a brand that they will keep coming back to. Logo strings are a standard for professional businesses, and you can have one for your brand now. It only takes 2 days, and you receive 2 times the amount of revision. So there's 2-day delivery. I'm a digital artist and IT technician. I've been creating professional logo strings for various businesses. I offer this service to you at a small fee to help your business brand reach new levels. 100% satisfaction guarantee. Okay, so first thing, I think it's a good description. This stuff, like, for $5 more, I'll make your video in full HD. I would leave this for this. Leave that as part of your packages or an extra. You don't need to put that down here. I think down here, you should use the space to describe yourself, why you're good at creating string video animations, some of the types of customers you can help with. So you mention here that it helps create a strong brand impressions with businesses that choose to use you. Give some examples. Maybe talk about some companies you've worked with in the past, things like that. And then maybe put a little list, because I know you put this here and I'm telling you to move it to your packages, but maybe put a lesson saying like, hey, if you choose to work with me, here's what you can expect. I'll design your video logo animation based on your specifications. I'll create it and send it over to you to see if you like it. I'll complete required revisions to get it to where it needs to be, and I'll send you the video files. I think that would be it would just help this flow a little bit more. I feel like this description's a little all over the place. Like after reading it, I know exactly what you do. You mentioned that it could be used for YouTube, website, blog, or other branding platform, but give some examples, right? I think that'd be helpful. The other thing, so I'm not 100% sure if you created this logo, I think it's great, but maybe create a couple more that you can share here in your profile to show people some of the different applications they might be able to use your services for, right? Like this second photo, it doesn't work, right? Like it's like a bunch of jumbled text. It looks like a screenshot of one of the animations you've made. So maybe put a couple more video files here because, this one looks awesome. If you had like a few more to give people examples of the types of animations you can do, I think that would be really, really cool. So overall, I think there's a little bit of work to do here. You just got to brush this up a little bit. Maybe put a couple more sample animations you've done, and then for this here, I think you need to do a little bit of work here. So it says choice of 3 logo animations. I think, keep it simple. You're doing this for $5. Say 1 logo animation. I will create a logo animation for you. And then you put the details of the animation. So choice of 3, like there's just too many variables here that I think would make it hard to productize and scale this type of a service, right? Like if everyone submits the requirements and they have a choice of 3 and you're doing revisions, and it's just a lot of work for $5. So make it a little bit easier to order, and I think that would do you well. Overall, though, I think you're really talented and you have a service to sell. Just got to kind of brush up the gig that's trying to sell that service for you. So good luck. All right. I hope this was helpful. If you are someone who wants to get your profile featured on this channel and, maybe use it as a way to get exposure to your gig, shoot me an email with your username and the gig you want me to review, and I'll review it on this channel in the form of a video. So until next time, cheers.